How to change your password on BeReal app. First of all, head over to your application BeReal. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. And then tap on this three dot. So right here you can see that there is no any option where you can change your password of your BeReal account. But if you really want to change your password, what you can do is head over to help. Tap on contact us. And then tap on report a problem. Head over to the very first option. Now just click on login or sign up. Tap on contact us. It will land you on this interface. First of all, you need to select a topic for your problem. Let me just do something else. Now in this section, you need to enter the problem that you have been facing. So all you want to write is you are not being able to change the password of your BeReal account. Also enter that you want to change the password. Once you are done writing all of those things, tap on send. After a while, BeReal will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. Or else you can simply create a new account and change your password. So that's it, and this was a tutorial today on how to change your password of your BeReal account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching until the end.